Fuzzy k-nearest neighbors, fuzzy KNN. Fuzzy k-nearest neighbors, fuzzy KNN, is an extension of the traditional k-nearest neighbors algorithm that uses fuzzy logic. Instead of assigning a data point to a single class, fuzzy KNN assigns membership values to each class, indicating the degree of belonging of the data point to different classes. Example. Consider a medical diagnosis problem with two classes. Class 1, healthy. Class 2, diseased. Let K is equal to 3 nearest neighbors of a new patient B. 2 neighbors belong to diseased. 1 neighbor belongs to healthy. In traditional KNN, the patient is classified as diseased. In fuzzy KNN, the result is membership to diseased is equal to 0.67. Membership to healthy is equal to 0.33. This means the patient belongs to the diseased class with 67% confidence and the healthy class with 33% confidence. Algorithm, fuzzy k-nearest neighbors, fuzzy KNN. Choose the value of K, where K represents the number of nearest neighbors to be considered. Calculate the distance between the test sample and all training samples using a suitable distance measure such as Euclidean distance. Select the K nearest neighbors based on the smallest distance values. Assign membership values to each class for the selected neighbors according to their class labels. Compute the fuzzy membership of the test sample for each class using weighted distances of the K nearest neighbors. The test sample to the class with the highest membership value. Advantages. Handles uncertainty better than traditional KNN. Provides soft classification using membership values. More robust to noisy data. Suitable for overlapping class boundaries. Improves classification accuracy in complex datasets. Disadvantages. Computationally expensive for large datasets. Selection of an appropriate value of K is difficult. Sensitive to the choice of distance metric. Requires more memory. Slower compared to standard KNN. Applications. Medical diagnosis systems. Image recognition and pattern classification. Weather forecasting. Fault detection in industrial systems. Text classification.